Tawheedu al-asma'i was-sifat. When you talk about Tawheed al-asma' was-sifat, this has got two faculty, yeah, two important things. One of them is a nafyu and the other is wal-ithbat, which means total negation and complete affirmation. So these are the two important pillars, if you want to use the term pillars, that these are the two pillars to Tawheedu al-Asma'i wa Sifat, right? So the first pillar, let's talk about the first pillar, which is Isbat. Yeah, let's go ahead with the Isbat first, and then we talk about the negation. Yeah. إثبات ما أثبت الله أو إثبات ما أثبته الله لنفسه في كتابه أو أثبته له رسوله صلى الله عليه وسلم في الأحاديث الصحيحة بدون تأويل. So this is the definition of al-ithbat as far as the tawheed of the names and attributes of Allah Azza wa Jal is concerned. إثبات ما أثبته الله لنفسه في كتابه أو على لسان نبيه صلى الله عليه وسلم. Let me try and explain this to you. We affirm, yeah, we affirm as far as the names and attributes of Allah Azza wa Jal are concerned. We affirm whatever Allah Azza wa Jal has affirmed about Himself in the book of Allah Azza wa Jal, which is in the Quran and on the tongue, through the tongue of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, as far as the authentic narrations, authentic ahadith are concerned. So we are, which means we are not going to, deviate from this particular ruling. We are going to affirm the names and attributes of Allah Azza wa Jal. Yeah. What names and what attributes? Only those names and those attributes of Allah Azza wa Jal that Allah Azza wa Jal has made a mention of either in the Quran or through the tongue of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Yeah. And we also say that this has to happen bidun ta'wil. What does this mean? Bidun ta'wil means without tahrif, without ta'til, without takyif, and without tamthil. Of course, these are hardcore, Aqeeda terminologies or the terminologies of Imaniyat. We will again try and understand what these are. We may be able to just skim through these four things that I just said, but inshallah ta'ala, when we once again stumble upon al-Iman bi asma'illahi wa sifatihi, we are going to talk about it inshallah ta'ala in great detail. Right now, we are just going to give one or two examples of one or two kinds and then move on inshallah ta'ala, because the scope here is to be able to proceed and come back to talking about Iman billahi, and then al-imanu bi malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rusulihi wal yawmil akhiri wal qadri khairihi wa sharrihi. And then we are going to come and talk about once again the names and attributes of Allah Azza wa Jal, because the very names and attributes of Allah Azza wa Jal is an independent discipline in itself. And it takes about 6 months. I mean, we took about 6 months to finish that in Kulliyatul Hadith. Just the names and attributes of Allah Azza wa Jal. That's how many layers that you have as far as the information about these things is concerned.